Broke boys might not deserve pussy, pero girls who have nothing to offer except their body is equally pathetic.
Hit 'em with that good, make a nigga act right. Broke boys don't deserve no pussy. I know that's right. Big bad pussy, not the
Broke boys don't deserve no pussy daw ko, no? Straight up, agree ko, ani. Kung wala kay kwarta, wala kay future. Kung saan mo pag-sustain sa relationship. Practical lang good, no filter. But hold up. Let's check on the other side sa daw ko, no, be. Ibutang talang gwapa ka, sexy ka, pero wala kay skills. Kuwang ang imong education, wala po kay ambisyon. Then, unsa man ang imong ma-i-offer sa relationship? Imo rang pussy. So how dare some of them expect a rich and successful guys, pero sila mismo wala gibukat para ma-improve ilang kaugalingon? Ang tinuod, mutual effort maguna dapat. Both sides needs to bring value to the table. Dili lang kay pangitaon kung asa ang kwarta. Broke boys might not deserve pussy, pero girls who have nothing to offer except their body is equally pathetic. Truth is, rich, successful guys don't have to settle. They can look for women nga naay sudang utok, independent, ug mutrabaho sa ilang kaugalingon. Kung body ra ang imong may offer, then expect to be left behind. Brutal, yes, pero maunay tinuod. Straight talk, no filter. Mutual respect ug effort matters more than anything.